Dalato, an aspirant for Banisa constituency. I'm very grateful to the UPA party for giving us this opportunity, a platform on which we can go and sell our idea to the Kenyans who are living in northern part of the country. The decision that we have taken to vie for a member of the parliament where a person has died is not popular in our tradition. But it is not also liked by many. It is a right thing to do. Change is not easy. Change is also inevitable. For the change to happen, resistance must happen. Resistance must come along the way. We have decided that the stumbling block to the development of northeastern part of the country is a kind of democracy that we call negotiated democracy. This is a kind of a democracy whereby the elders, the few elders, has to strangulate the voice of young people, women, and also like-minded people, and decide in 5-star hotel, impose leaders on a people. Therefore, the elected leader doesn't care about the livelihood of the people. He only remembers those endorsed him and those who endorsed him in 5-star hotel and taken them to the community for preservation. Therefore, as a young people, we have decided to break that circle. For this reason, I am sending a message, a hopeful message, to those young people, elders, men and women, who has an idea to express themselves, but those ideas has been hijacked here in Nairobi. The united opposition is strong. All is not lost. We are coming with idea. We are coming with a vision. We are coming with a hope. And for this reason, they have to be ready, and we have to bring change. And this is an opportunity to sell United Progressive Party to northern part of the country and the presidency of Dr. Matiang'i. And this is a gateway through. Therefore, all I can say is that we can win. We all win. Therefore, let us not lose hope. And together, we can change the entire country.